Hello guys, welcome back to the show. This is Toy Friendly Unbox where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. And I know it's been a hot minute, but we're back. And again, thank you so much for still watching our videos. And again, please keep on subscribing. Please share this to your friends and all the geeks out there. We are going to be featuring Super Sentai right now, Super Sentai toys, which we seldom do reviews for because of the availability of the figures. But right now, Evolution Toys has released the brand new set of Super Sentai figures in conjunction with the 45th anniversary of Super Sentai in Japan, and this belongs to their Hero action figure series. And what better way to start that with the of course, the legendary Super Sentai group, the original, the OGs, Gorangers. And we're going to be starting the unboxing with the main man himself, Akarenger. And this is what we're going to be featuring right now. Can't wait to open this up. And without further ado, here we go. Hello guys, how are we doing today? And again, we're back with the show. And first things first, this is the box, front of the box, for Evolution Toys Hero action figure Akarenger, part of the Goranger series that they're releasing. And this is the first one we're gonna be reviewing right now, and this one looks awesome. Look at the packaging, the front of the box with that window where you can see already what's inside. There's Akarenger, and of course in the Philippines this is known as Star Rangers, and this is Ranger 1 or Star 1 for the kids out there back in the 70s. You know what I'm talking about. And this one looks really awesome. Look at that, with accessories as well. So this is part of the Hero action figure series from Evolution Toys, and this is an authentic brand. Look at that, look at that toy authentication sticker. And this is also in conjunction with the 45th anniversary of Super Sentai. They've released a lot of Super Sentai groups, and of course Filipinos know this one to be Star Rangers, the very first one, the OGs. And I believe the next popular one that they've come to know is already Bioman in the 90s, which we also featured before. And but right now we're going to be concentrating on this particular figure. So this is the side of the box, very cool. Bright colors, bright colored red, of course based on the costume of Akarenger, which is predominantly red with the streaks of yellow, of course, and white accents. So you can see this is the back, and yeah, very cool. Look at the poses that you could make with this figure. And of course it also comes with accessories, and if you're familiar with the series, you know that he has multiple weapons which help them to destroy the enemies. And very cool. Look at that, the whole group is here pictured. And on the other side, of course, the same design and picture of Akarenger. On top is the logo, Hero action figure Akarenger logo right there. And so let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. So guys, upon opening the box, we get to have this instruction sheet. One sheet where there are directions on how to place the alternate hands, and the cape, of course, where you put it, and how to handle the weapons or the accessories that come with the whole package. We have the gun there. It's pretty neat. It's black and white, one sheet paper with all of the instructions that you need. And of course, we have this particular figure, Akarenger, and a lot of alternate hands, as you can see, and of course with the weapons, accessories that he has. Very cool. So let's free Akarenger from this plastic package, and let's try to pose it. So guys, let's take a look at the figure up close. Look at this. Very cool looking figure, the Akarenger figure. Very faithful to what he looks like in the show. Definitely well researched and well made figure. And of course you can see that there are several points of articulation, so you can, you know, pose him in different ways. And but also you have to be careful also of the joints. Honestly, I'm not really too confident with the joints. It may break easily if you keep on pulling and trying to make extreme poses with this particular figure. So I'd rather you be careful with the handling of the joints, especially with the arms. Might break. But overall, as far as PVC and plastic material is concerned, this is actually high quality plastic. It's not heavy, but the quality of the mold and the detail that they've employed in this particular figure is awesome. Look at that. It's super accurate. And the colors do pop out. Looks nice. Even the S logo in the boot. They look really, really nice, and they have articulation. So again, you can, you know, try to pose him as much as you can, but again, be careful with the joints. They don't look that sturdy or strong. And look at that face. Super accurate with the Super Sentai show, the Goranger show. So a bit of trivia, of course, with those younger audiences out there. Goranger being the very first Super Sentai group, you do know that they don't employ, or they don't have a mecha or a robot as a super or secret weapon. Unlike the modern Super Sentai groups, they do have combining mecha robots that they use to vanquish their enemies. Gorangers, they don't have that. They only have skills, superhuman powers, and their special weapons to thwart the enemy. So there. And the early Sentais or Super Sentais released in Japan, at least the first two, Gorangers and the other one being Jakku, they don't have mecha as far as I'm concerned, or as far as I know. So there. And this one really looks cool. It does come with the cape and of course alternate hands. So Let's try to put in the weapons and see what it looks like. So guys, here is Akarenger with the cape, and of course I also included the gun and placed it inside this holster. Very cool. This is one of the iconic poses of Akarenger, as you can see, doing the V formation pose, and just readying it so that the others will join him in this particular pose and recreate this this iconic picture that we have right here with all the Rangers, and of course him being the leader. This is actually super cool. So again, be careful with the joints, and they're not really that strong and might break, so especially the young ones, please be careful. And there are a lot of accessories that you can put in him. Rocket thrusters for the sides, and of course the bomb that he uses for final attack. Also have the whip here and the pole. Very cool. This is definitely a must-have for fans of the OG Go Rangers. So you better get your set while you still can. They're still available in all of your leading stores. You better place your order, because these ones, especially Go Rangers, they do sell out quickly. So that is our quick review of Goranger's Akarenger, part of the Hero Action figure series from Evolution Toy and Future Quest. And this one's really awesome, especially if you're a fan of Super Sentai. This is in conjunction with the 45th Super Sentai anniversary. Get it while it's hot. And there you have it, guys. This is Akarenger from the Evolution Toys Hero Action Figure Series, and this is part of the 45th anniversary of Super Sentai, and this is the first release of a series of 5 figures, of course part of the Go Rangers or Star Rangers. And this is one awesome figure, multiple points of articulation, stands up about 7.5 inches tall, and it's made of PVC ABS, and awesome. This is a perfect addition to your Super Sentai collection or Tokusatsu collection. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Please never forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. Also, please visit www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.